What is going on, guys? Mike back again with another video today. And today, my buddy Arter, you guys remember Arter? He was in the original video when I got my first tattoo. He was there when I got mine, and he just texted me saying, hey, I'm getting a tattoo right now. They just got done sketching it out, and they're about to tattoo me right now. So I'm like, all right, dude, bet. So I'm going to go over there and obviously check it out. I don't know what the final one looks like just yet, but I'm super curious to see. I know he showed me a couple that he liked a lot. So we're just going to stop by because I got a haircut to get to around 4:45, and I cannot be late for that. So maybe I'll get inspired to get one of my own, get another one, because I've been really craving one. And it's no lie, like they say once you get your first tattoo, it's like toxic. You just want more and more and more, and that's what I'm feeling right now, to be honest with you guys. So we'll see. Maybe I'll get a tattoo soon. Who knows? But I'm gonna go see Arter. I'll see you guys at the tattoo parlor. Yo, that's sick, dude. It's sick. You excited?
Oh yeah.
Excited, though. That's awesome, man. How much are they charging?
160, obviously.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I feel you, man.
Price.
Tight. What colors you getting?
Just straight black.
Straight black, no shading or anything like that?
It's gonna be shaded in the middle. The compass part's gonna be shaded.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sick. All right, dude. Let's get this started, man. This is sick.
Let's do it.
I gotta go, man. Looks good so far. I'll catch you later. Do you have an Instagram or anything like that?
I do, yes.
What is it? I'll put it right here.
Tally, you write it down.
Oh, Tally.
Thank
Do you want me in the video, Tally? Is that cool? Tally? No? You're good? Awesome. Guys, I'm so upset. My camera died on me in the shop. Oh well. You know, I got to see Arter's tattoo a little bit, or finish up just a little bit. It looks super dope as from what I saw. I can't wait to see the finished product. However, I did have to leave because if I stay there any longer, I swear I was going to cancel my haircut appointment and get a tattoo. Let me know in the comments, guys, if I should get a tattoo or not. I'm really debating on it. I probably will, let's be honest, and I'm obviously going to make a video, but let me know in the comments down below. Should I get another tattoo? If you have tattoos, how many tattoos? And if you are addicted to tattoos. Starting to get addicted to tattoos. I'm just thinking about it more and more and more lately, so we'll see. And I cannot wait to get this. Like, this is all messed up. I've been to different barbers before, and I still haven't really found that one that, you know what, I'm not gonna say that. My guy Easy from the Famous Phase Barbershop. However, before I came back to Chicago and before I went back to go see him, because he was one of my original barbers, I went to a couple different barbers in Arizona, and they kind of messed up my hairline. So as of right now, I'm really just trying to get that hairline back, to be honest with you, because it's just a little fucked up. So I'm gonna go see if he could fix me up before I go back and see Easy. Anyway, guys, next frame, you should see me with a fresh ass cut. All right, so I'm never going to Jose again. I had a free coupon, and that's why I went to him, and he didn't do like too bad of a job. However, I wanted a low ball fade, and he gave me a mid. And I know that's super that's super petty. However, like, guys who go to the barber like religiously and get the same cut every time, it's just awkward when it's off or not done right. Now, I did actually wanted to do a couple videos, but I thought I'd mash them up together. So it's actually Monday, November 26, 2018. So Cyber Monday, Black Friday, and Thanksgiving all already happened, and I bought a few things. Madden 19, $25 at Best Buy. I needed a new toothbrush, and this was on sale. As you can see, I already opened it and used it on sale at Target for $34. Oral-B Pro 1000. I don't know. I like my teeth. Never had braces, and my teeth aren't that bad, but they could use some help. So, got one of these because, well, I like my teeth. As I was walking around Best Buy, I didn't know what to spend my money on, and I found a couple more things that I think would be kind of beneficial, but were also cool gadgets that I just think were cool. The Amazon Echo Dot, seen great reviews on this. I just think it's super cool to have Alexa or anything like that on demand. I know Siri just sucks, so I can just go like, "Hey Siri," and be like that. However, if I ask her a question,
"This is about you, hair weave killer, not me."
see, she's just difficult. Hopefully, Alexa does a little bit better of a job. You know what? Let's just send her up now. Just a heads up, guys, if you do happen to purchase an Echo Dot or anything Alexa,
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
weird, but ditto on what she said. You will need an Alexa app. Okay, guys, holy shit. Watch this. Hey, Alexa, play some Juice WRLD.
Shuffling songs by Juice WRLD on Amazon Music.
Yeah. I also grabbed this. So what this is a 128 gig micro USB card. Now, I got this for $29. I apologize. $29, and the original retail price was $269.99. So that was a savings of $240. Now, I honestly was looking for an extra storage. 128 gigs is a shit ton of storage, so I feel like this would be very beneficial. But yeah, guys, $29 from $269. That's a freaking steal on Black Friday. Killed it, saved $240 on this micro USB card. And last but not least, and probably my favorite purchase of the weekend, so I got this Pac-Man game, guys, for $245 at Walmart. Currently on eBay, these guys are selling for about $400 to $500. So the only reason I bought this on Black Friday was, well, it's because it's cheap as shit, and I'm about to flip it on eBay for anywhere from $100 to $200 in profit after the fees and also their BS. You have to deal with PayPal and eBay, right? And just as a reminder, guys, November 29th, Cam brand is officially releasing with the 3M designs on t-shirts, sweatshirts, long sleeves, and hats. So just 4 things, but I want everything to sell out just so that way I can see where the demand is. Let me know how your weekend went, if it was good or bad. Did you guys go shopping? Did you guys not go shopping? Cyber Monday, Black Friday, what did you guys do? What did you guys enjoy more? Me personally, I only went out Black Friday because my family goes out every year. But that's the only reason why I go. Let me know what you guys did for the weekend. Hopefully it was fantastic and a ton of blessings. I wish everyone the best. Wake up every day and do great, guys. Mike Cam signing out. Peace.
Ow.